Hey friends, hey y'all, I'm CoCoDenise if you're new here. If not, welcome. Hey, hi, hello. Thanks for stopping by. Guys, today I am doing another unboxing. Actually, it's a dual unboxing because I have two unboxings technically. So I'm not gonna hold you. We're gonna go ahead and get into it, starting with the first one. And oh, okay, packaging is together. I'm gonna lower you down a little bit. Okay, packaging slip, gift card, and bag. I'm gonna read the gift card first because I don't remember what I wrote to myself. I put, if they go on sale, I'll get them. And did. Isn't that funny? All right. Tory Burch box. And these are in the size 9.5. This is the mini travel ballet with leather logo, soft patent leather in the Petunia color in a 9.5. And these are like pink. Okay, this just tells you how to treat your package. Why is this so little? Oh, you know why? Because you're supposed to fold these, fold the shoes. So this is the dust bag for this one. They smell good. Okay, they look exactly how I thought they were gonna look. They're like that light pink color. Absolutely love. And these are the patent leather ones. So these are the ones that you bend them like this. And then you put, wait, one side goes inside. It can't be that side. It must, I don't know. Cause my other ones, you just do that. I think because they're so new and they're patent leather. But yeah, so these are that. Let me put them on. Yep, fit perfectly. They fit just like the leather ones. And I'm sure they'll stretch a little bit, but I don't want them to stretch too much, so. And I need to cut my big toe. So let me show y'all. Aren't they cute? I love them. Y'all, it's a lot going on outside. Let me tell y'all. So one of my neighbors looks like, I think he joined band and he has drums and like he is, hey, I give it to him. He is really practicing. Then I hear someone blasting music outside. DJ is washing clothes. So I think y'all may be able to hear all of that. If so, I apologize. But let me show y'all the second unboxing. Look how big it is. Look how big this box is for a pair of shoes. Look at this box. And everything looks packaged properly, as Tory Burch does. But look how big this box is. And they put this one in a bigger bag. Okay, these are the cap toe quilted ballerina goat leather, light cream, perfect black. And this one you get the regular size dust bag. These are the second pair. It has a bow, and then it has like just a small Tory Burch emblem on it. Cute. These I got in a 9.5. So I will try both of these on for you. Oh, got a call. I will try both of these on for you so you guys can see how they look.
Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately.
Okay, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know, because they say that ballerina shoes are back. They're back in style. Now for me, I never stopped wearing them. If you know me, you know I am the flat queen. And apparently they're back in style now, so I'll be able to get all the different ones that I like. So I'm definitely excited about that. Let me know, are you part of the flat game, the ballerina flat game, or you are just not, you're not feeling it, you're not into it, you can't do it. All right, again, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, you know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like this video, not the next video, like this one right now, okay? Right now. And I'll see you in the next video.